Hello everyone, here I want to tell you how to make super delicious Indomie. Let's check it out. Okay, first prepare these materials. Step 1. Boil 500 cc of water in the pan as written on the package. Next, boil the noodles and macaroni in 500 cc of boiling water for 3 minutes and stirring frequently. Third, while the noodles and macaroni are boiling, chop celery, garlic, and chili. Fourth, before the noodles are cooked, add the celery, chili, garlic, and the seasoning. And stir until the water is almost drying. And finally, super delicious Indomie is ready to serve. Okay guys, this is the final look. Okay, I'm going to try. Okay, this is it, and thank you so much for watching. I hope this video will be useful for you, and bye. See you in the next video.